welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Shein account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in shein.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Shein. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is hover over this account icon. Now you'll be able to find the option for sign in or register over here. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the sign in or register interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either sign in with your mobile number or email address, or you can also continue with Google or Facebook. So simply click on the sign in method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to sign in with my email address. If you also want to do that, click on the field of mobile number or email address. Now enter the mobile number or email address over here. After entering the credential, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter the password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Shein account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.